In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Sam's Club membership voucher in 2026, step by step. To get started, go to the Sam's Club website or open the Sam's Club app on your phone or tablet. Either option works, so just use whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're there, sign in to your existing Sam's Club account. If you don't already have one, go ahead and create a new account first, since you'll need that before you can redeem the voucher and activate the membership properly. Before moving on, make sure you have your membership voucher ready. The most important part is the voucher code, so take a moment to locate it and keep it nearby. This helps avoid mistakes later, especially since these codes usually need to be entered exactly as shown. Next, head to the membership redemption page, or look for an option that says something like redeem a membership offer. Once you find the correct page, enter your voucher code carefully. Pay attention to letters, numbers, and any capitalization if needed. After that, click Apply or Redeem so the system can validate the code. If you're prompted to choose a membership plan, select the eligible plan connected to your voucher. This is an important step because some vouchers only work with specific membership types. After choosing the plan, review the membership details on the screen. You want to confirm that the voucher discount or promotional offer has been applied correctly before you continue. From there, complete any remaining registration steps. This may include entering your personal information and payment details, especially if taxes apply, if you're selecting an upgrade, or if the account requires a payment method for future membership renewals. Just read each field carefully and fill everything out accurately. When everything looks correct, submit your redemption to activate the membership. After you do that, keep an eye out for a confirmation message on the screen. It's also a good idea to check your email for a confirmation email letting you know the redemption was successful and that your membership is active. Finally, access your digital membership card through your Sam's Club account or in the mobile app. Once it's available, you're ready to start using your membership benefits right away. If your voucher doesn't apply at first, double check that the code was entered exactly as provided and make sure you're on the correct redemption page. With that done, your Sam's Club membership should be fully set up and ready to use.